Hey there, food fans! Welcome back to another delicious deep dive. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of butter production, a process that combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. We'll journey through a modern mega factory to see how this culinary staple goes from moo to you. From the moment the milk arrives at the factory to the final product you spread on your toast, every step is a marvel of modern engineering. Get ready for a wild ride through pasteurization, churning and more. We'll explore how raw milk is transformed into the creamy, golden goodness we all love. We'll uncover the secrets behind this simple yet essential ingredient. Quality control is key, ensuring that every batch meets the highest standards. Butter, with its rich history and culinary versatility, has graced our tables for centuries. From ancient times to modern kitchens, it has remained a beloved staple. From a simple spread to a key ingredient in countless recipes, butter's role in our diet is as varied as it is essential. Its creamy texture and unique flavor elevate our culinary creations, making everything from pastries to sauces taste better. But have you ever wondered about the journey it takes from the farm to your refrigerator? It all starts with happy, healthy cows grazing in lush pastures. Buckle up as we break down the science, technology, and sheer ingenuity behind modern butter production. From the farm to the factory, and finally to your table, butter's journey is a testament to human innovation and our love for this timeless ingredient. So next time you enjoy a buttery croissant or a rich, creamy sauce, you'll know just how much effort and expertise went into making that moment possible. Stay tuned as we explore the enduring appeal of butter. Our journey begins with the arrival of the star ingredient fresh milk, delivered daily in massive tanker trucks. These trucks are the lifeline of our dairy factory, ensuring a steady supply of the freshest milk possible. Imagine these tankers as the milk rivers flowing into the heart of our butter factory. Each truck carries thousands of litres of milk collected from local farms, ready to be transformed into delicious dairy products. Upon arrival, the milk is rigorously tested for quality and freshness. This is a crucial step as only the highest quality milk will make it through. Temperature is critical here, but so are other factors like fat content and purity. Milk is immediately cooled to a chilly 4 degrees Celsius. That's about 39 degrees Fahrenheit for us Americans. This rapid cooling process is essential to preserve the milk's natural goodness. This rapid cooling helps inhibit bacterial growth and maintains the milk's quality. By keeping the milk at this low temperature, we ensure that it remains fresh and safe for consumption. Think of it like putting your groceries away quickly after a trip to the store. Just as you wouldn't leave your milk out on the counter, we don't leave our milk at room temperature. You want to keep everything fresh. This attention to detail is what makes our dairy products stand out. The factory becomes a carefully controlled environment from this point forward. Every step, from pasteurization to packaging, is meticulously monitored to ensure the highest standards of quality and safety. Our dedicated team of workers, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, work tirelessly to turn this fresh milk into a variety of dairy products. From butter to cheese, every product starts with this essential ingredient. And so the journey of milk continues, from the farm to your table, ensuring that the milk must flow, and flow it does, bringing freshness and quality to every bite. Next up, it's time for standardization. This step ensures that every batch of butter has that perfect, consistent fat content. Milk naturally contains varying levels of butter fat, but we need uniformity for optimal churning. Large centrifuges spinning at high speeds separate the cream from the milk. By adjusting the rotational speed, technicians can precisely control the fat content of the cream destined for butter production. This process is all about precision, ensuring that every batch meets the highest standards. With the milk standardized, we turn our attention to the heart of butter production, separating the cream. Remember those centrifuges? They're back in action, this time working their magic to isolate the fatty cream from the now skimmed milk. As the standardized milk spins within the centrifuge, the denser milk is pulled outward, while the lighter cream collects in the center. It's like a merry-go-round for milk. but instead of dizzy children, we get perfectly separated cream. This cream, now boasting a luscious fat content of around 40%, is the golden ticket to buttery goodness. Now, for the main event, churning. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming liquid cream into that beloved solid we call butter. Traditional churning involved a lot of elbow grease, but in our mega factory, massive stainless steel churns do the heavy lifting. These churns are like giant mixers, but instead of batter, they're filled with that rich cream. As the churns rotate, the fat molecules within the cream collide with increasing force. Imagine a microscopic mosh pit, but instead of sweaty bodies, we get delicious butterfat. This agitation causes the fat globules to stick together, eventually forming larger clumps that separate from the surrounding buttermilk. With our butter churned to perfection, it's time to add a touch of personality. Salt is the most common addition, acting as both a flavor enhancer and a natural preservative. As the butter glides along the conveyor belt, automated systems dispense precise amounts of salt, ensuring consistent flavor in every batch. Some butter varieties might also receive other flavorings at this stage, such as herbs, spices, or even honey, for a touch of gourmet flair. The journey's almost over for our buttery friend. The final stage involves packaging the butter into various shapes and sizes, ready for distribution. Automated machines expertly cut, wrap, and package the butter with incredible speed and precision. From individual pats to larger blocks, the butter is carefully sealed in airtight packaging, preserving its freshness and flavor. It's then whisked away to cold storage, awaiting its final destination, your refrigerator. Throughout this entire butter-making extravaganza, hygiene and quality control are paramount. Think of the factory as a giant clean room with stringent measures in place to ensure the purity and safety of the final product. From the moment the raw milk arrives to the final packaging, every step is meticulously monitored. Pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria, while regular sterilization of equipment maintains a sterile environment. Air filtration systems prevent airborne contaminants, ensuring that the butter remains free from any unwanted guests. It's like a culinary fortress, protecting the integrity of our beloved butter. One of the most remarkable aspects of modern butter production is the level of automation involved. From the initial milk intake to the final packaging, sophisticated machines orchestrate the entire process with minimal human intervention. These automated systems not only enhance efficiency but also ensure consistency and precision in every batch. Computerized controls monitor every variable from temperature and pasteurization times to churning speed and packaging weight. This level of automation guarantees that every stick of butter meets the highest standards of quality and uniformity. The robots are taking over, but hey, at least they're making delicious butter. So there you have it, folks. The incredible journey of butter, from humble milk to culinary gold. This transformation is nothing short of magical, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. What was once a labor-intensive process requiring hours of churning by hand is now a marvel of modern food technology. The evolution of butter making reflects our advancements in engineering and food science. From the moment those milk tankers arrive at the factory, the journey of butter begins. Efficiency, hygiene and quality control are the guiding principles that ensure every stick of butter meets the highest standards. The milk is carefully processed, churned, and packaged with precision. Next time you spread that creamy goodness on your toast or savor its flavor in a recipe, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and technology that made it possible. Each bite is a culmination of centuries of innovation and dedication to quality. It's a true testament to the wonders of modern food production, bringing a taste of tradition to our tables in a safe and efficient way. The seamless blend of old-world charm and new-world efficiency ensures that butter remains a staple in our kitchens. Until next time, keep it buttery. Remember, every time you enjoy butter, you're partaking in a rich history and a modern marvel. So, spread the love and savor the flavor. Lay's potato chips. They're the go-to snack for road trips, game days, and everything in between. Whether you're at a family picnic, cheering for your favorite team, or just cruising down the highway, Lay's chips are always there to add a crunch to your moments. But have you ever wondered how those perfectly golden crispy chips are made? It's a fascinating journey from simple potatoes to the iconic snack we all know and love. Join me as we peek behind the curtain and explore the intricate process of turning humble potatoes into millions of Lay's chips. We'll start in the vast potato fields where the journey begins. These fields stretch as far as the eye can see, filled with rows upon rows of potatoes. Once harvested, these potatoes are transported to the factory, where the real magic happens. It's here that the transformation from farm fresh produce to delicious snack takes place. We'll journey through a modern factory, witnessing the magic of food processing technology. From the moment those spuds arrive, they're washed and sorted with precision. Next, the potatoes are sliced into thin, even pieces, ready to be fried to perfection. The slices are then cooked in large industrial fryers, where they achieve that perfect golden color and irresistible crunch. As they move along the conveyor belt, each chip is carefully monitored to ensure it meets the high standards of quality that Lay's is known for. Finally, the chips are bagged up, sealed for freshness, and ready to be shipped to stores across the country. Workers inspect each bag to ensure it's perfect before it hits the shelves. From the factory to the supermarket, and eventually to your home, every step is meticulously managed to deliver the best snacking experience. We'll uncover the secrets behind America's favorite snack. Get ready. Things are about to get delicious. It all starts, of course, with the potatoes. Not just any potato will do for a Lay's chip. Special varieties are chosen for their high starch content, which helps create that perfect chip texture. Once harvested, these potatoes are transported to the Lay's factory, where their transformation begins. Upon arrival, the potatoes are carefully inspected for quality. Only the best potatoes make the cut, ensuring that every chip meets Lay's high standards. These potatoes are about to embark on a wild ride through a symphony of machinery. Get ready to see some amazing technology. The first step in the chip-making process is a thorough cleaning. Potatoes arrive at the factory covered in dirt and debris from the field. They need a good scrub down before they're ready for anything else. Enter the massive potato washer, a giant rotating drum where potatoes get a bubble bath like no other. Powerful jets of water spray the potatoes from all angles, removing dirt, rocks, and any other unwanted hitchhikers. This cleaning process is crucial for ensuring the final chips are safe and delicious. Clean potatoes, happy eaters. Once the potatoes are squeaky clean, it's time to remove their jackets. Peeling potatoes for millions of bags of chips is no small task. Luckily, Lay's factories use high-tech peelers to get the job done quickly and efficiently. These peelers use rotating abrasive rollers to gently remove the potato skin. The process is surprisingly fast, with potatoes gliding through the peeler and emerging skin-free on the other side. The peeled potatoes then get a final rinse before moving on to the next stage of their transformation. Section 5. Slicing and dicing. Now for the fun part, slicing those potatoes into those iconic chip shapes. This is where things start to look like the Lay's chips we know and love. The peeled and rinsed potatoes are fed into a slicer, a marvel of engineering with rows of sharp blades. These blades can be adjusted to create different chip thicknesses, from the classic Lay's chip to wavy and crinkled varieties. As the potatoes move through the slicer, they're transformed into a continuous sheet of perfectly thin potato slices. These slices then tumble onto a conveyor belt ready for their trip to the fryer. Section 6. The perfect bath. Before taking a dip in hot oil, the potato slices need a quick bath. But this isn't your average soak in the tub. These potato slices get a special treatment designed to ensure perfect chip texture and color. The potato slices are submerged in a large vat filled with a carefully controlled solution. This solution helps remove excess starch from the potatoes, preventing them from sticking together during frying. It also helps to achieve that desirable golden brown color we all love in our chips. This crucial step ensures that every chip comes out of the fryer crispy, crunchy, and perfectly cooked. Section 7. Frying Frenzy. Now comes the moment of truth. The frying. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple potato slices into the crispy golden chips we all love. The potato slices, prepped and ready, travel on a conveyor belt into the heart of the factory, the massive fryer. This conveyor belt is meticulously designed to ensure that each slice is evenly spaced, allowing for uniform cooking. This isn't your kitchen stovetop fryer. This is industrial-scale frying at its finest. The fryer is a marvel of engineering, capable of handling thousands of slices at once, ensuring efficiency and consistency. The fryer is a giant vat filled with continuously filtered, high-quality vegetable oil maintained at a precise temperature. This oil is carefully selected and tested to ensure it meets the highest standards, contributing to the perfect texture and flavor of the chips. The potato slices take a quick dip in the hot oil, cooking to perfection in a matter of seconds. The temperature is crucial here. Too hot, and the chips burn; too cool, and they become soggy. The factory's advanced systems monitor and adjust the temperature in real time. As they travel through the fryer, the slices transform from pale white to a beautiful golden brown, their signature crunch developing with every passing second. This transformation is a delicate balance of time and temperature, ensuring that each chip is cooked just right. Their signature crunch developing with every passing second. Once they exit the fryer, the chips are quickly cooled to lock in that perfect crunch. This rapid cooling process is essential to prevent overcooking and to maintain the ideal texture. The result? A batch of perfectly fried, irresistibly crispy potato chips ready to be seasoned and packaged for your enjoyment. Section 8. A dash of flavor. Fresh out of the fryer, the chips are still hot and begging for their final touch seasoning. This is the moment where the magic truly begins. The chips, still glistening with oil, are ready to be transformed from simple slices of potato into the iconic Lay's chips we all know and love. Lay's chips are known for their classic salty flavor, and the seasoning process is where that magic happens. The journey from plain to flavorful is a meticulous one, ensuring each chip gets just the right amount of seasoning. This is not just about adding salt, it's about creating a symphony of taste that dances on your tongue. The chips tumble through a series of rotating drums where they're showered with a fine mist of salt. These drums are designed to ensure that every chip is evenly coated, giving you that consistent flavor in every bite. It's a delicate balance, achieved through years of perfecting the process. The amount of salt is carefully controlled to ensure the perfect balance of flavor. Too much, and it overwhelms the palate. Too little, and the chip loses its signature taste. Precision is key, and LA's has mastered this art, ensuring that each chip is a perfect representation of their brand. Of course, LA's doesn't stop at classic salted. The world of LA's chips is vast and varied, catering to a multitude of taste preferences. Each variety is crafted with the same attention to detail, ensuring that no matter your flavor preference, there's a LA's chip for you. Different varieties get their signature flavors from a mix of spices and seasonings added at this stage. Whether it's the smoky allure of barbecue or the tangy zest of sour cream and onion, each flavor is a carefully crafted blend of ingredients designed to tantalize your taste buds. From tangy barbecue to zesty sour cream and onion, the flavor possibilities are endless. Each chip is a testament to LA's commitment to quality and flavor innovation. So next time you reach for a bag of LI's, remember the journey each chip has taken to bring you that perfect bite. Section 9. Inspection and perfection. Before they're deemed ready for your snacking pleasure, the chips undergo a rigorous inspection process. Trained eyes scan the conveyor belt, removing any chips that don't meet LA's high standards. Chips that are broken, too dark, or otherwise imperfect are removed, ensuring that only the best of the best make it into the bag. This dedication to quality is part of what makes LA's chips so consistently delicious. Once they've passed inspection, the chips are ready for their final destination, your snack bowl. Section 10. Ready for crunch time. The journey from simple potato to iconic snack is complete. The chips are now funneled into their signature LA's bags, sealed tight to lock in freshness. From there, they're boxed up and shipped to supermarkets, convenience stores and vending machines across the country. So the next time you tear open a bag of LA's potato chips, take a moment to appreciate the journey they took to get there. From the farm to the factory, it's a testament to ingenuity, precision, and the simple deliciousness of a perfectly made potato chip.
Welcome to the bloody kitchen, you lot. Today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of instant noodles. We're talking about the real deal, the culinary magic that happens behind the factory doors. You think you know noodles? Think again. We're going to show you exactly how those curly little devils go from simple dough to the steaming hot bowl of deliciousness you crave. And for those of you ready to ditch the packet and up your noodle game, we're serving up a piping hot review of the top 5 noodle and pasta makers on the market. We'll break down each machine from its build quality to its performance so you can find the perfect tool to create your own culinary masterpieces at home. Get ready to become a noodle ninja. First up, we've got the MARCATO Atlas 150, straight from the heart of Italy. This bad boy is a workhorse, built like a tank and ready to tackle any pasta challenge you throw at it. The Atlas 150 is constructed from chrome-plated steel, giving it a sleek and sturdy design that screams quality. You can tell just by looking at it that this machine is built to last. No dodgy plastic bits here. Now let's talk about performance. The Atlas 150 boasts a 150mm roller width, which means you can crank out large batches of pasta in a flash. It also features a 10-setting dial for adjusting the dough thickness, giving you ultimate control over your pasta creation. Whether you're craving delicate angel hair or hearty fettuccine, this machine has got you covered. But it doesn't stop there. The Atlas 150 comes with a handy cutter attachment, allowing you to effortlessly slice your pasta sheets into perfect spaghetti or fettuccine strands. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even purchase additional attachments for creating other pasta shapes like ravioli, pappardelle, and more. This machine is a dream to use, even for a complete novice. The hand crank operates smoothly, and the pasta sheets glide through the rollers with ease. The clamp securely attaches the machine to your countertop, preventing any unwanted slipping and sliding during use. Listen, I've worked in some of the best kitchens in the world, and let me tell you, this machine wouldn't look out of place in any of them. It's a professional-grade piece of kit that delivers exceptional results. If you're serious about your pasta, the MARCATO Atlas 150 is worth every penny. Next up is the Philips Compact. A true testament to the saying, good things come in small packages. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little machine packs a punch when it comes to performance. It's the perfect solution for those of you working with limited counter space, but don't want to compromise on quality or features. The Philips Compact boasts a sleek and modern design that will look right at home in any kitchen. It's made from durable plastic and features a convenient storage drawer for the attachments, keeping everything tidy and organized. Despite its small footprint, the Philips Compact doesn't skimp on features. It offers a range of dough thickness settings, allowing you to create everything from delicate lasagna sheets to chewy udon noodles. The automatic mixing and kneading function takes the hard work out of pasta making, leaving you free to focus on other tasks in the kitchen. And speaking of easy, this machine is a breeze to clean. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, saving you precious time and effort. Now let's be honest, you're not going to be feeding an army with this machine. But for small households or those who only make pasta occasionally, the Philips Compact is a fantastic option. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers consistently good results. Chapter 3. Cestari Ultimate Pasta Perfection Made Easy. Now, for those of you who value simplicity and ease of use above all else, let me introduce you to the Cestari Ultimate. This machine is like having your own personal Italian chef in your kitchen, ready to whip up perfect pasta at a moment's notice. The Cestari Ultimate is designed with convenience in mind. It features a user-friendly interface with clear and intuitive controls. Even if you've never touched a pasta maker before, you'll be churning out restaurant-quality noodles in no time. One of the standout features of the Cestari Ultimate is its automatic pasta extruder. Simply add your ingredients to the machine, select your desired pasta shape, and let the machine work its magic. It's that easy. And don't even get me started on the range of pasta dyes that come with this machine. We're talking spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, rigatoni, and a whole host of other shapes to tantalize your taste buds. You can even purchase additional dyes separately, allowing you to expand your pasta repertoire even further. The Cestari Ultimate is a bit of an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. It's a high-quality, reliable machine that takes all the guesswork out of pasta making. If you're ready to elevate your culinary game and impress your dinner guests, look no further than the Cestari Ultimate. Chapter 4, KitchenAid 3-piece roller and cutter set, the KitchenAid companion. Now, for all you KitchenAid fans out there, listen up. If you're lucky enough to own one of those iconic stand mixers, then you need to get your hands on the KitchenAid 3-piece roller and cutter set. It's the perfect way to transform your trusty KitchenAid into a pasta-making powerhouse. This set includes everything you need to roll and cut your own pasta, all powered by the unmatched power and performance of your KitchenAid mixer. The set typically includes 3 attachments: a pasta roller, a spaghetti cutter, and a fettuccine cutter. Some sets may even include additional cutters for creating other pasta shapes. The pasta roller attachment effortlessly transforms your dough into smooth, even sheets, ready for cutting. The rollers are adjustable, allowing you to achieve the perfect thickness for your desired pasta dish. Whether you're craving delicate wonton wrappers or hearty pappardelle noodles, this roller can handle it all. The spaghetti and fettuccine cutters attach to the roller with ease, allowing you to effortlessly create perfectly cut strands of pasta. The cutters are sharp and precise, ensuring consistent results every time. Now, I know what you're thinking, Gordon, isn't this just another gadget cluttering up my kitchen? And to that, I say absolutely not. This attachment set is a game changer for any KitchenAid owner. It's versatile, easy to use, and delivers exceptional results. Plus, it saves you valuable counter space by utilizing your existing KitchenAid mixer. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 5, Philips Pasta Maker plus the Rolls-Royce of pasta makers. And finally, we've arrived at the creme de la creme of pasta makers, the Philips Pasta Maker Plus. This machine is for the true pasta aficionado, the one who demands nothing but the absolute best. It's a thing of beauty, with its sleek design and advanced features. But don't let its good looks fool you. This machine is a workhorse in the kitchen. The Philips Pasta Maker Plus takes all the guesswork out of pasta making with its automatic weighing and mixing functions. Simply add your ingredients to the machine, and it will determine the perfect water ratio for your dough. No more dry, crumbly pasta disasters. This machine boasts a powerful motor that can handle even the toughest doughs. Whether you're making delicate angel hair or hearty pappardelle, the Philips Pasta Maker Plus can handle it all with ease. The extrusion process is quick and efficient, producing perfectly shaped pasta in minutes. And let's not forget about the impressive range of pasta shapes this machine can create. The Philips Pasta Maker Plus comes with a variety of shaping discs, allowing you to experiment with different pasta styles. From classic spaghetti and fettuccine to more unique shapes like penne, rigatoni, and even lasagna sheets, the possibilities are endless. Now, I'm not going to lie, the Philips Pasta Maker Plus is an investment. But if you're serious about your pasta and want a machine that delivers professional-grade results, this is the one for you. It's a true game changer that will elevate your culinary skills to new heights. So, there you have it, you lucky devils. We've taken you inside the fascinating world of instant noodle production and armed you with the knowledge to create your own pasta masterpieces at home. Remember, choosing the right pasta maker depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, available counter space, and how often you plan on using the machine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a complete novice, there's a pasta maker out there for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on these amazing products, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more culinary adventures. Now go forth and conquer the world of pasta, one delicious noodle at a time.
In the world of food production, sardine canning stands out. It is swift and efficient. Factories can process 1,500 kilograms of sardines in just 24 hours. This is an astonishing feat. The automation and technology involved are remarkable. Imagine the scale. Every minute, a significant amount of sardines are moving through various stages. The process is seamless. It ensures that the fish are canned quickly and preserved for consumption. This efficiency does not compromise quality. Each sardine is handled with care. The end product is delicious and safe to eat. The journey of a sardine from sea to can is a fascinating one. The sheer volume processed daily is a testament to modern technology. Factories today have become marvels of engineering and design. They ensure that millions of sardines are canned efficiently. The journey of the sardine begins with cleaning. Fresh sardines arrive at the factory. They are immediately washed to remove any dirt and impurities. This ensures that only the cleanest fish move forward in the process. Next comes salting. Sardines are immersed in a saline solution. This step is crucial. It enhances the flavor and helps in preservation. The amount of salt used is carefully measured. Too much or too little can affect the taste and quality. Once salted, the sardines are cooked. This is usually done through steaming. Steaming preserves the nutrients and keeps the fish tender. The cooking time is optimized to ensure perfect texture. These initial steps are vital. They set the foundation for the canning process. The cleanliness, salting and cooking must be precise. Only then can the sardines proceed to the next stage of canning. Once the sardines are cooked, they are ready for canning. The cooked sardines are placed into cans. This is done using automated machinery. The sardines are packed tightly but carefully. The aim is to fit as many as possible without damaging them. Next, the cans are sealed. This is a critical step. The sealing must be airtight. Any compromise can lead to spoilage. Modern sealing machines ensure that every can is perfectly closed. After sealing, the cans undergo sterilization. This is done using high-pressure steam. Sterilization kills any remaining bacteria. It ensures that the sardines are safe to eat and have a long shelf life. The entire canning and sterilizing process is automated. It is efficient and reliable. It ensures that millions of sardines are canned and preserved daily, ready to be shipped worldwide. One of the leading sardine canning factories is located in Galicia, Spain. This region is famous for its seafood. The factory here is a model of modern efficiency. It combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. The factory's layout is designed for optimal workflow. From the arrival of fresh sardines to the final canning, each step is streamlined. The machinery used is state-of-the-art. It ensures that the process is both fast and efficient. Galicia's factory is not just about speed, it focuses on quality as well. The sardines processed here are considered some of the best. The factory adheres to strict standards to maintain this reputation. This factory is a testament to how modern technology can enhance traditional practices. It stands as a leader in the sardine canning industry, showcasing the best of both worlds. Section 5. The workforce behind the efficiency. While automation plays a huge role, the human workforce is indispensable. The factory in Galicia employs around 100 people. These workers ensure that everything runs smoothly. They monitor the machines and handle any issues that arise. These employees are skilled and experienced. They understand the nuances of sardine canning. Their expertise ensures that the process is not just fast, but also maintains high quality. They perform regular checks to ensure standards are met. The workforce is involved in various stages. From the initial cleaning to the final packing, human oversight is crucial. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, but human intuition and experience are irreplaceable. The combination of automation and a skilled workforce is what makes the factory so efficient. It ensures that the factory can process 1,500 kilograms of sardines in just 24 hours without compromising on quality. Section 6. Historical overview of sardine canning. Sardine canning has a rich history. It dates back to the early 19th century. The process was first developed in France. The goal was to preserve fish for longer periods. This was crucial for sailors and soldiers who needed a reliable food source. The early methods were labor-intensive. Everything was done by hand. From cleaning to canning, it required a lot of manual work. However, it was a significant advancement at the time. It allowed people to enjoy sardines even when they were far from the sea. As technology evolved, so did sardine canning. The introduction of machines in the 20th century revolutionized the industry. It made the process faster and more efficient. Factories could now produce canned sardines on a much larger scale. Today, sardine canning is a blend of tradition and modernity. The core principles remain the same, but the methods have improved drastically. The history of sardine canning is a journey of innovation and adaptation. Section 7. Evolution of sardine canning. The evolution of sardine canning has been remarkable. From manual labor to fully automated factories, the changes have been significant. Early methods were rudimentary but effective for the time. Today, the process is a marvel of modern engineering. One of the most significant advancements has been in machinery. Early canning machines were basic. Modern machines are highly sophisticated. They can handle thousands of sardines per hour with incredible precision. Automation has also improved quality control. In the past, it was hard to ensure every can was perfect. Today, advanced sensors and cameras monitor the process. They detect any issues instantly, ensuring only the best sardines make it to the shelves. The evolution has also been about sustainability. Modern factories focus on reducing waste and energy consumption. They aim to be as eco-friendly as possible. The journey from past to present in sardine canning is one of continuous improvement and innovation. Section 8. Sustainability in the sardine canning industry. Sustainability is a key focus in the sardine canning industry today. With growing awareness of environmental issues, factories are adopting greener practices. This includes everything from energy use to waste management. Modern factories use energy-efficient machines. These machines consume less power and operate more efficiently. This reduces the overall carbon footprint. Factories are also investing in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Waste management is another critical area. Factories are finding ways to recycle and reuse waste. This includes fish waste, which can be turned into valuable products like fish meal and oil. Sustainable practices also extend to the sourcing of sardines. Factories are working with fisheries that follow sustainable fishing practices. This ensures that sardine populations remain healthy and abundant. Sustainability is not just a trend, but a necessity for the future of the sardine canning industry. Section 9. Practical tips for canning sardines. Freshness. When it comes to canning sardines at home, freshness is crucial. Start with the freshest sardines you can find. The quality of the fish will directly affect the final product. Fresh sardines have bright eyes, firm bodies and a mild smell. Once you have your fresh sardines, clean them thoroughly. Remove any scales, guts and heads. This ensures that only the best parts of the fish are canned. Proper cleaning is essential for both taste and hygiene. After cleaning, consider salting the sardines. This helps in preservation and enhances the flavor. Use a salt solution or dry salt the fish before cooking them. The right amount of salt is key. Too much can overpower the fish, while too little won't preserve it properly. Finally, cook the sardines before canning. Steaming is a good method as it preserves the fish's nutrients and texture. Once cooked, they are ready to be canned and sealed. Freshness at every step ensures a delicious and safe final product. Section 10. Practical tips for canning sardines. Quality of salt and thorough cooking. The quality of salt used in canning sardines is essential. Choose high-quality sea salt or kosher salt. These salts have a pure flavor that enhances the sardines without adding any unwanted tastes. Avoid using iodized salt as it can give the fish a metallic flavor. Salting should be done carefully. If using a brine solution, ensure it's well mixed. The sardines should be evenly coated. If dry salting, sprinkle the salt evenly over the fish. The goal is to ensure each sardine is properly seasoned. Cooking is the next critical step. Steam the sardines until they are cooked through. The cooking time can vary based on the size of the fish. Proper cooking eliminates harmful bacteria and ensures the fish are safe to eat. Once cooked, quickly move on to canning. The sardines should be packed tightly but without crushing them. Seal the cans immediately to lock in the flavor and freshness. Proper salting and thorough cooking are the final touches that ensure high-quality canned sardines.